So Afterpay is an amazing buy now pay later app. In this video, we'll see how to use it online and in store. So let's get into it. This is the main interface. This shop tab contains mostly offers. Those are from the store as well as from Afterpay. To look up a brand, tap the search option. As you type, you'll see the suggested brands. I always explore this interface when I shop to see if any deals are available. Honestly, you'll find the same products everywhere. It's how much you pay really. Clicking any of those will go to the store website to shop. When you open a site, you'll notice an additional row showing your spending limit. Some brands have a minimum purchase limit on Afterpay, so make sure you research before spending time finding products and adding them to the cart. My Afterpay is where you find your total and remaining limit, upcoming payments, current and past orders and more. You'll also see your profile details, payment settings and app settings. Before you shop for the first time, ensure you have a payment method to pay back to Afterpay. Click Add Payment Method and add your card information. Alright, now we'll shop for something in the app. Tap the search bar to find a brand. I'll look up Skechers. This is a normal website, so you will browse as you would in a browser. Find items you want to purchase and add them to the cart. I like those shoes, so I'll choose the color and size and add them to the cart. Once you are done shopping, go to your cart to pay for it. Follow these steps to add your details. When you get to the payment page, you'll see the Afterpay option. Choose this option and click Place Order. Afterpay will open. As we are already in the app, we don't need to log in or verify anything. You'll see the payment plan right away. The first payment is the day of the purchase, so it will charge you 25% right now. Also, here's your payment card to pay back. However, you can change it now or later. Hit the confirm button below. It will take a few seconds to process. Here we go. The order has been placed and I have been charged the first installment. If I can show you the notification. So we are done from the website side of things now. They got paid in full and will get the order on time. Now if we go to My Afterpay, you'll see this order in the orders section. Click it to see your upcoming payment dates. You can make an early payment here if you like to. The top spending limit has been updated as well. So there was using it in the app. We can use Afterpay on a computer as well. Let's see how to do that now. For example, I like this keyboard, so I'll add it to the cart. Then let's go to the checkout page. Here, add the required details until you reach the payment page. You'll notice Afterpay here. Click it. Some websites will show the payment plan here, and for some, you'll need to proceed to Afterpay by clicking the displayed button. Let's click on it. Afterpay will open asking you to sign in. Once signed in, we'll see the payment plan again. The default repayment card is here if you like to change it. Then click confirm to complete the payment. Just like the app, you'll see the success message with your order number. Lastly, we'll learn to use it in store. Tap the in-store option to generate a card. Here, click Get Started and follow the steps until you see this Add to Apple Wallet or Google Pay option. Tap on it. We must verify before we can add it. We'll get an SMS code. Put that in here. Then you'll see the card name and number. Hit the next button. Then are the terms and conditions. Click Agree to continue. Once the card is added, Afterpay will open. Click this or the close button on the top. Now whenever you go to this tab, you'll see your total balance with an option to pay in store. You can also look up brands nearby. To use it in store, first make sure that the brand supports Afterpay. I usually just ask them. Then the simplest way is to tap on Pay in Store. You'll see the plan screen with your default payment method. Tap the big blue button to continue. On iPhone, Apple Wallet will open. On Android, Google Wallet will come up. Double click the side button to unlock the app on iPhone. On Android, no need to do anything. Just hold your phone against the contactless terminal. You'll see a check mark to confirm that the payment is being processed. If everything's alright, the payment will go through. Once done, go to My Afterpay to see this order and the updated spending limit. Anyway, this was using Afterpay online and in store. Thanks for watching and take care.